Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joseph, and I'm from Viscovery. When there's something you want very much, how soon would you plan to have it? For just 5 seconds, Snapdeal finds the best deal for you. Here's the market we are in. Everyone knows mobile search is a very big market, and it could be as big as $24.5 billion by 2016. But there's a problem. Search could take time. And with this tiny screen, you probably need to spend 10 minutes keying the keywords on it. And it could be very tiring. Introducing Snapdeal. Just snap, you could find the best result. Imagine that you are in a physical retail store. You find something interesting. And this time you just grab your mobile phone, open Snapdeal, and by snap, you could get the exact product information as well as user comment and rating. You can also use it to sell your used goods as second-hand products to other Snapdeal users. So Snapdeal, easy to buy and sell. We actually have two different business models. Snapdeal is our B2C product, and we are more looking to providing Snapdeal's API as our B2B service. With Snapdeal API, users of retailers and e-commerce can use their mobile phone to scan product image. And by comparing to our image database, we could find the right product. Together with retail and EC's database, we can empower the O2O application. Want some proof? Here are some customers of ours. Most of them are #1 in their industries, including retail, EC, direct sales, and telecom. Thanks to these #1 customers, we started monetizing our business last year, and we have pretty strong Q4. As for the market position, we are situated well in the middle of B2C, C2C, and visual search. Comparing to our competitors, we are more focusing on mobile side that integrate gesture sensor, machine learning, and offline search that makes our user experience better. Behind the technologies, we have pretty strong RD and BD teams. Especially our RD team has already published more than 35 international papers and applied 10 patents for visual search or image recognition and machine learning. Actually, our team has been working together for 3 years to focus on fundamental research on image recognition, medium-based image recognition and video recognition, as well as wearable device visual search. We are having partners in different Asia countries, and we are looking for Korean partners. As for next step, we also want to find some strategic investors and advisors that could help us to explore bigger market in Asia or US. Last, I would like to use this screenshot to share with you that we've been advancing our technologies on search experience, including on Google Glass. So very soon, we hope we could do just snap, and you can find the best deal. Thank you.
네, thank you very much, judges. 마이크.
Hi. Thank you for the presentation, Joseph. It sounds like the image recognition technology has been developed in-house. Is that correct?
Exactly.
Okay. So that's part of the puzzle. The other part of the puzzle is to create an index, right?
Yes.
Based upon the technology. Exactly.
Uh-huh.
How far are you in terms of developing the indexes? How large is the index and what kind of categories are you currently covering? And what is the plan going forward?
I think you are asking pretty very deeply technologies, right? Actually, we've done lots of testing with different real items from different angles, different distance, different conditions, different medias. We try to, in order to improve our technologies, we try to test everything we could and try to improve our technologies. That's why I mentioned that we apply 10 patents for image recognition and also for the better mobile experience. So here are our real testing for different categories. For most of the categories, we have very good successful recognition rates. But as you can see, there are some categories maybe we have room to improve. That's why we introduced our B2C Snapdeal app. That is kind of a crowdsourcing feedback system. So we could get the user behavior status and also other information to help us to improve our image recognition technologies. And in the end, we have also the service team to improve the whole user experience.
Okay, but the reality is, if you expect that users are going to help you improve and increase the size of your index by providing a not so accurate app, then I don't think a lot of users are going to end up using it. So it seems to me that your team should be focusing on increasing the quantity and quality of the indexes so that you have over 90%, 95% on each of the categories. Is that not right?
Yes, you mean that for some categories we have that high successful rate, yes. And we will do it step by step and also do with affiliate partners for that part. But as for index you mentioned, because there are many different kind of image recognition technologies. As for the complexity, ours is in the most complexity ones in terms of the degrees or the indexes you mentioned, but there will be another topics for that.
Okay, thank you for the interesting presentation. So I guess my question is somehow related to his first question, but I just wonder why you decided to choose the, for view recognition rather than using QR code or a barcode. You just show me the comparison, and then it seems like recognition speed is quite fast. But still, looking at the market, there are lots of barcode already available. So that if you make a one-to-one comparison, the barcode is much prevailed. So just wonder why you choose this method.
Yeah, just take example for QR code. You can see from the comparison we have with QR code, but the main 2 points is that one, we feel QR code is ugly. That for some of our catalog marketing customers, they need to put each product they need to put a QR code for each product on it. So in total, the catalog will be very ugly. So by our technology, you can just scan the image of the product itself. You don't need to add more QR code. And secondly, QR code, you need to do additional process for that to generate a QR code and also to be able to open the URL. So there will be additional work for that. That's from our thought.
Okay, we have time to one more questions.
What is your plan for the next steps with the Series A funding?
Actually, we are right now looking for maybe pre-A or A-round investors, and mainly for those advisors and investors to help us to explore by their network
My question was, what do you want to do with $1.5 million?
Oh, okay. There will be the next year or next 2 years, the span or resource to focus on our B2C app that I just mentioned, Snapdeal, and to gather the feedback and be a reference of our B2B partners.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for joining us, Joseph. 네,
Please visit us at booth number A18. Thank you.
네, 비스커버리 조셉 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.